What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson here, looking like, oh man, is that the ghost of Terrence? No, that's me, man. I just wanted to my daughter got me one of these shirts to represent. So I'm a proud dad of a United States Marine. You can see it's green though. So you're gonna just see my head in this video because that's just the way it works. Because the shirt is green. It's kind of weird though. At least I can get out of the way and show you what I wanted to show you in the background anyway. But hey, today in most people's lives, they'd be so mad when they get demoted. I got demoted 2 ranks. It is my fault. It's my fault. I knew it was coming. Today was the day for it to come. But I just kept doing them withdrawals, man. I just got I was doing all the withdrawals. So we can see, let me show you in the back of my back office. And most of the time when you get demoted, you don't get paid. Because believe me, I already know what it's like to get demoted 2 ranks. Because like I told you before, my demise from the sheriff's office, I was a major and I got demoted 2 ranks and then I was out the door. But oh dang, I didn't do that for 2 minutes. Okay. But at least it's grown. Let me just turn this back on now. So go back. All right. So go to senior manager. I'm senior manager now. I was just regional manager yesterday. So senior manager, you can go back and look at my videos, but look, my money's still there. Where I messed up at is right here. Right here. All I gotta do is put some more money in there. So I'll let it grow from in here. So the money I make this week, I'll probably just reinvest it. I mean, I'm only gonna get it back anyway. I just was having too much fun. It just was having too much fun. And it cost me 2 ranks. But my thing is, ranks mean nothing because I'm still getting paid. It's not hurting my money any kind of way. Only thing that changed is the amount that you would make if somebody came in. Let me open that right now and I'll show you that real quick. And then we'll move on. Because the one that I have, let's see, pictures. What pictures? The queen. Come on. Baby, come on. This shit was gonna take this long to start uploading the new pictures. Where's the new? I need the new. All right, here we go. So this is what took effect. We knew it was gonna happen today at 11, 12, because they're 12 hours ahead of us. 11 today, and it took effect. So when you look at my screen, let's see, that's small. All right, here. Okay, so investment, personal sales, group sales. All right, so that's what we're missing. I can't show you both at the same time, and I can't move. I mean, I might can move this. Let's see, I haven't tried. Let's see how much of it I can move with it staying there. Oh, where there's a will, there's a way. All right. So, senior manager. I was at regional manager because before this, regional manager only needed to have 30,000, 10,000, and still was the $100 coming in. But they changed it because they were paying all these people all this money and they weren't really doing it. You put $100 in, you bring 7 million people, and then you hit all these ranks and you ain't did no work. So now they're trying to make the people that's in there, okay, if your people are investing, you should be investing. So to get to the highest rank, you need to have a 20%, and it's $20,000 invested to the goods, $10,000 invested to the good, 5,000 invested to the good, 3,000. So mine right now is 1,580. Still got some money in my Kraken account because I could just shoot it back over there if I choose to, but I'm not really, I'm seeing 7%. So what I missed out on 2%, actually 1%, because I won't until this stays over 100,000. There's no sense of really come back and paying my 5,000 yet. So I may or may not, I don't know. But I'll know I'll pay it when this gets over 100,000 and stays over 100,000, because we already got that blew out the water. So this needs to be blown out the water also. And once that's blown out the water, which is another 11,000, then I'll pay up to the 5,000. So all I gotta do right now is pay 1,500, and then I'll be promoted again, back to mother rank. But I'm gonna do it with profits. I'm into doing it with profits. Like the leaders always tell you, get your money back plus a certain percent. Man, I didn't 20x this joint already. So I'm just gonna pay for it with profits. I'm just having too much fun, and I'll make sure I put it in rank. The check is what matters. Get my team getting a check is what matters. Rank gonna come with rank gonna come. And you know what I'm saying? I never was really a rank person, other than the fact that when I worked in the secular, I couldn't be at the smallest rank because I got bored, so I moved all the way up to the rank where I couldn't move up no more unless I ran for office. That would be the only other way I could have went. But then I still didn't have the deputy requirement, so I wouldn't have been able to run for office, especially in that county because I didn't live in that county. But anyway, just to let you know, so this is what was happening. It was supposed to be January 3rd. They moved it to January 17th. And they was telling us about grandfathering. But when they put the numbers together, you got all these people that don't have a dollar, got $100 in here, and they got all the rest of this. Nah, you're going to start reinvesting some of that money, putting it back into the company for the longevity of the company. We need the company to have longevity because regardless of what all this means, if the money's gone, all this is gone. The money, the people are registered, but everything needs money to work. What happened to Blockbuster? People stopped going. Netflix came out in Redbox. Blue Box, money stopped coming through the doors. They had to shut down. Blockbuster wasn't a scam. Is it a scam because it shut down? No. Look at all of the stores. Woolworth. That was, I'm telling my age now, but Woolworth was out way before Walmart. Well, it wasn't out before Walmart. It just was out in certain cities and Walmart wasn't there. But then Walmart took over. Walmart took over, like Amazon took over, and certain places had to shut down. Like Facebook took over MySpace. MySpace was it a scam? It wasn't a scam. They just ran out of money when nobody invested in it because Zuckerberg knocked them out the water. So that's what's actually happened. And that what can happen to your company. So you just got to make sure that you do what you need to do and be mindful of the things that go on. Because every company needs money to operate. If not, they won't operate. People call stuff a scam. You don't even know what a scam is. A scam is people that was intentionally going to break you in the first place. So the new thing that is, which is making us really want to go through the bonus and get more people and join and recruit, because once you get manager, director, and senior director, you now have a part in this bonus pool. You now have a part in this bonus pool, which is crazy. And they got it right there showing you that, yo, this is the bonus pool. This is where you want to be. So right now, the manager, marketing directors, managing director, let me see the rank, get the rank right. Managing directors and the shareholder directors. So now these are their pools. So they'll split this up evenly. So say if it's 2 of them, they getting $7,000. Say if it's 10 of them, they get $1,500 a piece. Let's just do it that way. You know what I'm saying? If it's 10 of them, but these are going to keep on growing. And then the amount of these are going to keep on growing. So it's bittersweet. I ain't got nothing to complain about. I love stuff like this because now it make me even go more hard. And this was my fault because I could put the other money in and go back up one rank. But once, like I should, once that 89 is an even 100,000, I'll put 2 more thousand in. So I need 3,000 of my own money. See, I put 1,500 in, I'll be there on the next rank. And then I put another 2,000 after that. Then I'll be ready for the next rank. But once that hits an even 1,000, 100,000, I'll probably just go ahead and I don't know, because I'm missing out on some levels as a senior manager because you only go down 3 levels, and that's where most of my people are on 3 levels. I mean, so it's the first level, my people that's under me, second level, my people that's under my people, and then the people that's under my people. So that's probably why I'm still at 89,000. But if I, go ahead and upgrade, and they promote me sometime tonight, then it might just even grow a little bit more. But who knows? I mean, I'm happy. I have nothing to complain. I got more money in my bank now than I had last week when we just got paid. So it's bittersweet. Like I said, you're growing, and that's all it's about, is growing. And that's pretty much all I wanted to share on today's results. Your boy got demoted, but your boy is still getting paid. Still a little money, still coming. So this is my people upgrading or reinvesting or whatever they're doing. This is them. This happens from Sunday night to tonight all the way till Friday, and then they take 100% out. Then they put that back. I already took the money out of that, and you can see it on my video from yesterday. You go to my YouTube channel, great stuff all over the channel. And you can see that. But just letting you know, this your boy Terrence Gibson. They just made it a lot more gooder, and funner. for us to be in this space. If you're not in this space, get in this space. We're having fun. We're kicking butt and taking names. And look to see this change. It's like I feel like I'm starting all over again. It's like the pressure's on. Like, oh, like crunch time. It's like the championship or something. I don't know. I love stuff like that. I'm a believer in faith. You make me want to work hard. That's just motivation right there. You know what I'm saying? I dropped 2 ranks. I can go for my matter of fact, let me see something. Because I don't want to pull up another video. Let's just go to my page real quick. Just to show y'all right here. And thank you once again. The team is growing. My Facebook group is growing like crazy. So this is my video from yesterday. I don't want to watch the whole video. And I gotta wait until it grows. I just want to spot in the video. Okay, boom, right there. Where you can see that's when I did my withdrawal, but I was regional yesterday. Same amount of people, regional. It's just the rank thing changed. And you can see let me make it a little bit bigger. There we go. Same, but now I'm getting more money. So I got more money, lost 2 ranks, and I still got the same amount. As a matter of fact, dude, I do my I have more money inside my there we go. I have more money inside my wallet than I had it last time. So I don't know if you can see this or not. Okay, there we go. See, 80,000. Right now we got 89. 20,000. Right now we got 21 some change. 1580. That's still the same. And I was about to hit MD because MD's rank at the time was 100,000. But even if I would hit it, I wouldn't have stayed at it because they changed it, which is smart. You can't pay me for an MD if I'm not bringing in MD stats. Why you want to overpay me? That's like paying the person in the mailroom the CEO pay. It don't work like that. You either got to be the CEO or you're going to be in the mailroom. That's the way it works. So, hey, I'm cool. I'm running with it. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to get this thing popping. Actually, I'm doing a video right now on it. So, hey, which will bring more longevity to my team. So, hey, this is your boy Terrence Gibson saying I love you. Like, subscribe, click on, boom, subscribe. Come over here and where's my subscribe? Oh, I can't subscribe to myself, but you know where the subscribe button is. Subscribe, rock that bell so you can get all my notifications, so you can know when my new videos are coming out, so you can keep up with everything that we have going on, just in case you would ever be interested. Just in case you ever be interested. Anybody can use these videos to show your teams. Just tell them don't use my link if you're not on my team. Or if you're on my, just make sure they use your link if you're showing it to somebody else. That's what I mean. All right. Like, subscribe, rock that bell. Join the team. If you're not on the team, join my team and let's get busy. All right, people. Love you. Have a blessed one. God bless.